There are certain truths about women that they will never openly admit. Truths that are raw, unfiltered, and sometimes unsettling. If you've ever questioned why some men leave an unforgettable impact while others are easily discarded, why loyalty isn't always as it appears, or why women behave in ways that contradict their words, then this video is your wake-up call. Today, we're revealing 7 dark truths about female nature that every man must understand. From the psychology of emotional attachment to the real reason women change for a man, we're breaking down the hidden realities that most overlook. Once you learn these truths, you can't unlearn them. The more she hates him, the more he owns her mind. Women are emotional beings, and the men who leave the deepest marks are not the ones who offer constant love and devotion. It's the ones who take them on an emotional roller coaster. If a woman constantly talks about a man who hurt her, it's not because she has moved on. It's because he still occupies space in her mind. The bitterness and anger she expresses are not signs of indifference, but rather disguised obsession. The man who can make her feel a mix of love, pain, and confusion becomes unforgettable. Meanwhile, the guy who played it safe, never stirred her emotions, and never challenged her. She forgets him the moment it's over. Hate isn't the opposite of love. It's a twisted form of attachment. The man who gave her the best experience always gets another chance. It doesn't matter how many partners she's had. What matters is who left an imprint so deep that she still remembers it. Every woman has that one man, the one who awakens something in her that she can't forget. No matter how much time passes or how committed she seems, if he reaches out, a part of her will always be tempted to let him back in. Why? Because unforgettable experiences aren't just physical. They are emotional, mental, and primal. When a man leaves a deep imprint on a woman, he holds a power that no amount of commitment can erase. Women only change for a man they fear losing. A woman doesn't truly change because she matures. She changes when she meets a man she cannot afford to lose. The carefree, reckless party girl can suddenly transform into a devoted and submissive partner when she meets a man who sets boundaries and refuses to tolerate games. Men she doesn't value get her attitude, her drama, and minimal effort. But the man she respects, the one who isn't afraid to walk away, gets her full commitment. When a woman knows that a man won't tolerate nonsense, she adjusts her behavior quickly. The reality is that women play games with men they don't take seriously, but they play for keeps with the ones they truly fear losing. Her high standards are selective, not universal. A woman's so-called high standards aren't as rigid as they appear. They shift based on the man in front of her. One guy may take her on multiple expensive dates, shower her with attention, and barely get a hug in return, while another man she desires deeply gets full access without hesitation. The difference? It's not about rules, it's about attraction. If she is truly drawn to a man, all her standards and timelines disappear. Women don't enforce rules on men they desire. They create them as obstacles for men they see as providers, rather than objects of passion. If she's making you wait, setting high expectations, or playing hard to get, it's not because she's principled. It's because she doesn't see you as the man who gets to bypass her rules. For the right man, there are no rules, only opportunity. Women cheat when they believe they can get away with it. A woman's loyalty isn't based on love, morality, or happiness. It's based on risk and opportunity. If she believes she can cheat without consequences, she is far more likely to do it. Even a woman who is deeply in love is not immune to temptation when the risk is low and the opportunity is easy. Most women aren't loyal because they are naturally virtuous. They are loyal because they fear losing what they have. However, when she feels certain that her secrets will remain hidden, her so-called values disappear quickly. Love alone is not enough to keep a woman faithful. Only the fear of losing a high-value man truly prevents betrayal. The man she respects can do whatever he wants. A woman's rules and expectations only apply to the men she doesn't fully respect. Some men jump through hoops, follow her demands, and play by her guidelines, only to receive coldness and indifference in return. Meanwhile, the man she truly respects, he can disappear for days, break promises, or even betray her, and she will still chase him. Why? Because in a woman's mind, respect outweighs love. A woman may love a nice guy, but if she doesn't fear losing him, she won't truly value him. The men who capture a woman's soul don't ask for permission. They command attention through their presence, their self-assurance, and their ability to walk away. And the harsh truth? When a woman respects a man, the rules stop applying to him. Women will trade stability for excitement every time. A woman can have the perfect man on paper, stable, loyal, and devoted. But if another man awakens a stronger feeling inside her, she will risk everything for that thrill. Women don't always cheat or leave because they are unhappy. They do it because they crave excitement, unpredictability, and emotional highs. Stability is comforting, but boredom is unbearable. This is why the bad boy, the mysterious man, or the unavailable guy can steal her attention from a seemingly perfect relationship. She won't just walk away. She will burn everything down to chase the feeling, convincing herself it's destiny while ignoring the destruction left behind. The truth is, a woman's loyalty is not based on how good a man is to her. It's based on how alive he makes her feel. Now that you know these 7 dark truths about female nature, the real question is, how will you use this knowledge? Understanding women isn't about manipulation. It's about recognizing reality and moving through it with clarity and power. The men who succeed in relationships aren't the ones who ignore these truths. They are the ones who embrace them and play the game on their own terms. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button, subscribe for more raw truths, and drop a comment on which truth shocked you the most.